Would you trust TikTok with your skin? Thousands of skincare hacks are going viral, but how many of them actually work and how many could damage your skin? I'm a pharmacist, and today I'm ranking the most viral TikTok skincare trends from life-changing to skin-wrecking. Some of these blew my mind, and number 6, I couldn't believe people are still doing that. Let's rank these hacks from actually helpful to please don't try this at home. And trust me, number 6 might shock you. Hack number 1. Using Vaseline for slugging. You've probably seen it. People coating their faces in Vaseline before bed, calling it slugging. But is this safe? Actually, yes. Vaseline is an occlusive, meaning it locks in moisture and prevents water loss from the skin. It's great for people with dry, sensitive skin or damaged skin barriers, but if you're acne-prone or have oily skin, it might clog your pores. So while slugging can be amazing, it's not for everyone. Ranking 8 to 10. Effective for dry skin, but not ideal for acne-prone types. Hack number 2. Rubbing lemon juice on your skin for brightening. Please, no, just no. Lemon juice is acidic, with a pH around 2, and it can severely irritate the skin, cause chemical burns, and increase photosensitivity, meaning you're more likely to burn in the sun. There are safer ways to brighten your skin, like vitamin C serums, niacinamide, or gentle exfoliants. Ranking 1 to 10, risky, irritating, and unnecessary. Skip it. Hack number 3, rubbing ice on your face to reduce puffiness. This one has some truth to it. Ice constricts blood vessels, which can reduce puffiness, especially under the eyes, and calm temporary redness. But don't apply ice directly on your skin for too long. It can cause ice burns or broken capillaries. Instead, wrap it in a clean cloth or use a cold jade roller. Ranking 7 to 10, works if done gently and safely. Hack number 4, using Head & Shoulders shampoo to treat acne. Yes, you heard that right. Some TikTokers are using Head & Shoulders, which contains zinc pyrithione, as a face wash to treat fungal acne. And guess what? There's some science behind it. Zinc pyrithione is antifungal, and in certain cases of malassezia folliculitis, which mimics acne, it might help. Still, it's not meant for the face and can be harsh for daily use. Ranking 6-10. Might help some people, but not a long-term fix. Use with caution. Hack number 5. DIY toothpaste spot treatment for pimples. Old school? Yes. Smart? Not really. Toothpaste contains ingredients like menthol, baking soda, and alcohol, which can dry out pimples, but they can also irritate, burn, or disrupt your skin barrier. There are far better options now, like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or sulfur spot treatments. Ranking 3-10, outdated and irritating, just no. Hack number 6, mixing aspirin with water as a face mask. This one's interesting. Aspirin contains acetylsalicylic acid, which is chemically similar to salicylic acid, a common acne treatment. When crushed and mixed with water, some believe it can exfoliate and reduce breakouts. And yes, technically it may offer light anti-inflammatory benefits, but the form, pH, and purity aren't ideal for skincare, and people with allergies or sensitive skin can react badly. Ranking 5-10, not the worst, but not professional. Use a real salicylic acid product instead. Hack number 7, using castor oil for eyelash growth. This one's been around for years, and it's back on TikTok. So, does it actually work? There's no strong clinical evidence, but anecdotally many people report fuller lashes or brows with consistent use. It's thick, moisturizing, and rich in fatty acids, so it might condition the lashes and reduce breakage. But be careful not to get it in your eyes, and always use a clean applicator. Ranking 7 to 10. Safe and worth a try, just manage your expectations. Hack number 8. At home, micro-needling with derma rollers. Yes, Microneedling can stimulate collagen and improve skin texture when done professionally. At home, it's risky. Improper technique or dirty rollers can cause scarring, infections, or hyperpigmentation. Unless you've been trained, this one's best left to the experts. Ranking 4-10. Effective in theory, dangerous in practice. Leave it to professionals. Bonus hack: double cleansing, oil cleanser plus foaming wash. Now here's one I love seeing on TikTok. Double cleansing, starting with an oil-based cleanser to break down sunscreen and makeup, followed by a water-based cleanser, is a fantastic habit, especially if you wear makeup or SPF daily. It helps prevent clogged pores and leaves your skin truly clean without stripping it dry. Ranking 10-10, safe, smart, and dermatologist approved. Keep it up. Final thoughts. TikTok has made skincare fun again. And that's great, but not every trend is backed by science or safe for your skin. If you're ever unsure, ask a dermatologist or pharmacist. Because your skin deserves more than just light.